The primary suspect in the mass shootings in Christchurch has appeared in court charged with murder. The suspect, Brenton Tarrant, a self-identified white supremacist, is being held in custody without plea. He is due to appear in court again on April the 5th. Two other suspects are also in custody, and all three are Australian citizens. New Zealand's Prime Minister said Tarrant had 5 guns and a firearms licence. She vows to toughen the country's gun laws. The mosque massacre occurred on Friday, leaving 49 killed and 20 seriously injured.